My name's Lee Burgess. I've been with Jim nearly 13 years now, and I'm basically Operations Manager for the Riordan Grains or Riordan Group operation. Jim Riordan, the Managing Director, he founded the company back in 1996, originally just with one truck. We used to cart and grain around sort of Victoria for a lot of our customers. We run a fleet of trucks and subcontractors. We also run specialised fertiliser distribution centres, and we also handle a lot of domestic and international grain execution, whether it's through domestic packing, through containers, through bulk export and bulk vessels overseas, or to the local consumer. Since then, we've had a bit of a natural progression with growing with our customers. Originally it was grain, bringing grain down from the Wimmera up north to Geelong and distributing to customers. And then more recent years, in the last 8 to 9 years ago, we've now partnered up with some fertiliser companies as well. And now we're handling a lot of fertiliser distribution through the Geelong port and out to the network of farmers through our Geelong facility here. We run L120H Volvo loaders. So we went from telehandlers through to loaders where we needed to improve our productivity and efficiencies. And the way we've sort of structured our whole business is around how do we sort of develop the best service side of our business and how do we provide the best outcomes for our customers. And through the sort of CJD and Volvo, we've managed to sort of create operations based around the loaders and our equipment. So the loaders are a good high productivity vehicle. They're all matched to all our outloading equipment, all our inloading. So all our L120s have got 7 cubic metre buckets. Seems to be a really good fit for cycle times to and from hoppers and from trucks and that sort of stuff. The width of the bucket's 3 metres, which works perfectly to most hoppers. And then as of the last 3 to 4 years, we've gone into Volvo excavators too, which are the 220Ds, which are a good fit for us for stacking product, coupled with the Volvo loaders. 10 years ago, we were just talking about this before, where we were running telehandlers, we sort of started to get quite busy in handling particularly grain on intern. So to handle 200 tonne an hour, we had 2 telehandlers, 2 guys, and to do a 12-hour shift, fatigue was a massive issue. So we need to go, how do we get to the next level? How do we increase productivity, but then also too, how do we make it easy for our staff? And when we bought our first Volvo, which was a second-hand 120F out of South Australia, which was an entry into this sport, and going from the telehandlers into one of these machines, the Volvo was doing the work of at least 2 telehandlers at the time, and an operator could work a 12-hour shift and not have the fatigue levels that we were previously.